You would nearly think you were at Cape Kennedy. There's that many wires and plugs up here, and I don't know how their head sticks it all. Now, last night we had a tremendous night, but we were here till 11 o'clock, and I don't intend to be here till 11 o'clock tonight. We're running a brave tight schedule, and we made a number of mistakes last night, but we're trying to correct it all. And we had a bit of a disaster here this evening. The generator broke down at about 6:30, so you can imagine how I panicked. And the boys were running around telling me, take it easy. And my nerves were anything but good. But I would like to thank the Newbridge Ceilidh Band. They certainly were tremendous. And that is traditional Irish music at its very best. Now, we have a young man here.